scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, still you don't.
Cool product, but I wouldn't recommend you sell this product on Amazon because it's a seasonal product, right? You don't want to sell products that only sell for Halloween or for Christmas or for back to school or only for the summer. You want to sell products that sell even throughout the year. A quick check to know if your product is seasonal, just simply go to Google Trends, type in the keyword of your product, and there you can see the search trend on Google for your particular product. There's a direct correlation between Google searches and Amazon sales. If you would like to learn how to find non-seasonal products that are profitable on Amazon, then all you need to do is comment the word FBA below, and I'll send you over a free step-by-step Amazon training video that shows you in detail how I find winning products to sell on Amazon over and over again.